Oh my god, I thought this was a nest.
Is that a nest?
Look how his tail is just like chilling on his back.
Yeah, he's taking a little nap.
Nap with his eyes open?
Yeah. Scare you? Good morning.
Morning.
She wants to go play with it.
She's drooling. She wants to go so bad. Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the dust.
Okay, out of beach, mountains, desert, or jungle? What's your favorite like area? Like what's your aesthetic nature place? What does it include?
Well, I like this kind of areas because there's like, it's not technically, I don't think it's a forest. It's kind of like a grassland, like, what's the word I'm looking for?
Like plains?
Well, it's not plains either though.
True.
I don't know. Whatever this is, I like this one. And then ocean is always pretty, but willow's never allowed on ocean trails.
Okay, she changed her whole answer.
I changed my answer. Well, not really changed it, but there's like one specific thing that I need to mention.
What?
I like hiking next to like a creek or like a river because I like to hear the sound of the water. And it's not the same as ocean because the ocean's like crashing waves. I like the gentle, steady rhythm of a creek or a stream or a river.
It's 6:30 in the morning and literally no one in the hotel is awake. Like, I'm the only one. But yeah, I just woke up to get some warm water or warm tea and no one's awake. It's so weird. It's so weird. Like, there's only 2 people awake and I was one of the 2 people. That's weird.
So we have the green card and the red card. We're gonna draw from here and pick one red and one green. The red is a noun, I think. Yeah, this person, I don't know who that is. And then the green is an adjective or a verb. And green, green, green. Looking for a green, looking for a green.
Too many red ones. Like, literally there's barely any green.
Green! Ah! What? Brash?
I picked that one earlier!
Oh, true. Okay, wait, what's a brash? Is it like a rash?
So, it's an... It's an impulsive, cocky, reckless.
That's what brash means?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a verb.
Okay. Whoa.
Salamander, what you pointed to? Also, I'm just like... like a hunch. Gotta keep it on. Dude, that parrot's so cool. My hat makes me like 6 feet tall. Oh! Caught him.
can't, like I want to film right now, but it's getting dark and the lighting is so bad. But like I'm in the mood. Like first I was a little sad and stuff, but like right now like I want to film. And it's getting dark and you're just sitting in front of a camera talking to yourself. But kind of talking out loud because you need to. And the lighting sucks, but and you wish it was daytime because you want to film and be able to see your expressions and stuff. I'm so excited, but I'm so sad. And I don't, I'm gonna go inside. I'm cold.